I'm going to fill up a bird feeder. Okay, first I gotta take this off. Like this. That's a little piece of paper. Yes. Ooh. Fun. Alright, here's the bird feeder. Now for some bird seed. Let's see. I can't open it. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is quite sad. It's quite sad. Bag, don't fly away. Don't fly away, bag. Okay, now I'm going to pour it in the thing. Watch this. Okay. Ooh! I spilled a little. Open the bag back up. Put the lid back on. And there we have it. Bird seed! Thanks for watching my little demonstration. Have a good day. It's warm out here.